Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this Zen garden. It was packaged really well, so it would make a nice gift for anyone for really any reason. This is beautifully done. It is a nice wooden case that comes with 3 pounds of white sand, and it's in a resealable container, so you can easily put this up for next time. You get all sorts of really nice tools, from dusting to rakes. You actually get little incense in here as well, so that is a nice relaxation addition in here. You've got your instruction manual, and you've got this nice squared surface that has a little lip to be able to hold it all in. But that is not all. You have this whole underneath layer that has, we've got 26 pieces in here. You've got your little bonsai tree in here to be able to add in. Now this is cool. I like that. I mean, there's so much little sensory stuff in here. You've got your little ball that's got a really nice little feel to it, so you can easily roll that around in the sand, move it around. I mean, this is really, really neat. I really appreciate all the thought and things that are in here that you can create your own little environment. I'm gonna get the sand in here so we can check this thing out. All right, I got this thing set up. This is super relaxing, and I mean, it's really addictive because it's got so much of that ASMR stuff, like where you're feeling it, you can hear the noise of the sand, and it is so just soothing. Now, I only put some of the sand in there because you can put it in both top and bottom, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like, how it moves around. You've got your little rake. You can get your little dusting thing if you want to get all the way down to the wood, to then be able to set up different things, move it all around. I mean, there is so much in here that you can do and make different designs with different things, different sensory things. This is a great meditation tool, all around relaxation. It is amazingly fun, and it looks really neat. Whenever you're done, everything can just easily get put up, folded back in here. You are ready to go again for next time.